Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unstake ADA Cardano on Coinbase, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Coinbase and go to your portfolio. Launch the Coinbase app or website and make sure you're logged in. Navigate to your portfolio where your ADA is stored. Step 2. Find your ADA staking balance. Scroll through your assets and look for Cardano ADA. Tap or click on it to open your ADA wallet. Step 3. Tap or click on staking options. Once you're on your ADA wallet screen, you'll see an option for staking. Select this to view your staking details. Step 4. Unstake your ADA. Look for the option to unstake or withdraw your ADA from staking. On Coinbase, this may appear as stop staking or unstake. Step 5. Confirm your unstaking request. Coinbase will prompt you to confirm your unstaking request. Once confirmed, your ADA will be removed from staking and the funds will be available in your wallet after a cooldown period. Step 6. Wait for the unstaking period to complete. Depending on the network's cooldown rules, it may take a few days for your ADA to be fully unstaked and available for withdrawal or transfer. Important tip: unstaking may take a few days to process, and during this time, your ADA will not earn rewards. So make sure you're unstaking only when necessary. And that's it. You've successfully unstaked your ADA on Coinbase. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.